Hi everybody, my name is Austin. I'm here today to talk about the Siberian Traps. The Siberian Traps are about 300 square miles of basaltic rock and volcanic fragments, so it's kind of hard to find an exact pinpoint of where it is on Google Maps. And I tried my best with this picture right here. You can see a lot of it right here in the central area, but I did find this image that hopefully helps kind of clear up where it's at. It's not a volcano, it's more of a lava plateau that covers over, again, 300 million miles, and it is in the volume of about 100 cubic miles in northern parts of Siberia and Russia. Um, the Siberian eruption was over 500 million years ago. It was very explosive. It was considered to be one of the largest volcanic events in the last 500 million years. 250 million years ago, Harvard found evidence during the time of the eruption that there was a magma chamber contained within thick sedimentary basin. So that exploding out from the depth that it did would have caused a lot of ash, magma, lava, and basically a lot of different kinds of ejected to explode into the atmosphere and kind of blanket it everywhere. There was continuous eruptions for the next 2 million years, so I'm assuming there was a lot of lava flows. I couldn't find an exact diagram and I didn't know how to make one, so I searched on MIT's website and found this, which is what they used on their article. And they kind of showed it right here where kind of that the crust, top of the crust being right here and the volcano over there, but the magma chamber being very, very deep underneath and kind of going up with this magma cooled mixture through the top. What they think caused the explosion was a meteor hitting this, allowing all of that lava and volcanic material to go into the atmosphere. This was another picture that they used that I wanted to include that kind of showed where it looked like compared to the rest of the area. It wasn't very active past the initial, 2 million years. It's been over 250 million years since the eruptions, so it didn't really have a lot of activity. It did kill about 96% of marine species and 70% of land species by spewing that ash, ejecta, and lava. It is considered to be that cataclysmic event that did kill off the dinosaurs, if not being caused by a meteor hitting that spot. This is also to be considered the thing that broke apart Pangea and create the atmosphere as it is today. These are my large amount of sources.